Mark Strassmann has been following the case at the courthouse for us. Mark?
Scott, Judge Deborah Nelson made an important ruling when she allowed the jurors to consider that manslaughter charge. Defense attorneys have been confident they will get an acquittal on the murder charge, but are now worried about a possible compromise verdict. The prosecution today pushed to hold Zimmerman accountable for Trayvon Martin's killing.
And it proves to you that this defendant is lying about what happened.
In his closing argument, prosecutor Bernie De La Rionda told jurors that Zimmerman profiled, tracked, and killed Trayvon Martin.
He was wearing a hoodie. Last I heard, that's not against the law. But in this man's eyes, he was up to no good. To quote the defendant, and pardon my language, he was one of those assholes that get away. Pardon my language. He was one of those punks.
De La Rionda scoffed at Zimmerman's claim that he felt threatened by the unarmed teenager.
Why does this defendant get out of the car if he thinks that Trayvon Martin is a threat to him? Why? Why? Because he's got a gun. He's got the equalizer. He's going to take care of it. What do we have here? Really, what does it boil down to? You heard a little bit, and we put evidence of the fact that the defendant at one point wanted to be a police officer. But again, it doesn't say that the law allows a person to take the matters into their own hand.
Zimmerman's wife and parents were present in the gallery for the first time. Sabrina Fulton, Martin's mother, looked away when crime scene photos were shown of her son's body.
And that's true because of the actions of one person. The man before you, the defendant, George Zimmerman. The man who is guilty of second-degree murder. Thank you.
De La Rionda spoke for more than 2 hours. Defense attorneys will make their closing argument in the morning, Scott, before this case goes to the jury.
More on this tomorrow. Mark, thanks very much.